of the ticket price, you get a free tasting cup. This is used to go around, and if you want to buy something, try it out first, have a little sip, and then yeah, buy it if you like it. So we're gonna hopefully find something we like and buy something, but at least we can taste a lot of stuff.
Beehive Sydney honey. It's really good for tea, it's really good for coffee. It's organic, $10, can't go wrong. Costs more than that in supermarkets sometimes.
Masala latte is a blend of nuts and spices.
That actually tastes like the chai we had in India, without the sugar though.
There you go. Chai needs tea.
Yeah.
So if you're going to have a chai, the tea should really stand out. So you boil the water first, and then put the spice and milk together and bring the whole thing to a boil again, and then strain it and have it. That's the way to make an Indian chai. No other way.
Chai! A tea. Looks like wine and tea. Let's go check it out.
The Chardonnay is chamomile infused and the Cabernet Sauvignon is chai infused.
Oh, I'll try the chai one, please.
Chai? Yeah, sure. So it's Cabernet Sauvignon, and then so you can really smell on the nose. You get that chai, but then it really mellows out on the palate.
It's like a red wine infused with chai tea, and it's really nice. Smooth on the throat, and at the end you get a little spiciness to it.
It's going to come to Dan Murphy's soon. It's going to get sold in supermarkets soon. It's called Tea and Wine Infusion, and it tastes absolutely delightful. $16 a bottle, or you can get 2 for 30. So pretty good, I'd say. So tickets you can only get online, they're $20.95, so you can't turn up and buy them on the door, you have to buy them online.
Doors open at 9 AM and close at 4 PM. We stay to the very end, and at the end they start kicking you out around 10 to 4, 5 to 4.
We didn't know there was an actual food court there. The food's in a separate little section around the back of the warehouse. So make sure you check that out. We had a German sausage, and I don't even really like sausage, and it was amazing. It was so good.
That German sausage was $16. It's called the mega sausage. Got a nice little jalapeno sauce on there, a bit of mustard, a bit of barbecue sauce.
We've got everything on there.
Yeah. So if you got any questions, feel free to comment, like this video, and please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.